Hey everybody, it's John Morley with another JMOR review on technology. So you recall just a few days ago, we actually did an unboxing for a Bonsaii 3S30 shredder. So I want to give you my review on this. So first of all, the shredder which we have in place, it does shred fine. Here's the issue that I have. When we open the shredder bin up and we take a look at it, look at the size, okay, of the paper. Can you see the size of the paper? So this is the issue. When you have something of a 3S30, the problem becomes that you actually don't get things shredded as well as you should. So the controls are very good. The power works very well, and it does shred very quickly. However, it really is not a shredder for business. Might be good for home, but if you have some confidential documents, a 3S security level, not very good. Unfortunately, for businesses, it's going to get my thumbs down. For homes and just people wanting to get rid of some paper, I'll give it a if on a thumbs up. Just because anybody in security really shouldn't have a shredder, in my opinion, that is at least lower than a 4, because it would be cutting a lot more, which would be the micro cut level. This is just the cross cut level. So you remember when shredders came out, they just cut once, and then we had that they could cut twice, and then we had the cross cut where they'd cut multiple ways. So again, not as happy as I was expecting to be with this shredder, but we're going to be unboxing another shredder probably later on this week. And that shredder is actually going to be of the 5 standard. So we'll do an unboxing and then we'll do a review. Again, this is John Morley with the JMOR Reviews channel. If you like the content that I produce here, please be sure to click on the like and the subscribe button and also the bell notification icon so that you will be notified when I publish new content to this channel. And also by you clicking on the like button, that tells YouTube that, hey, this content's pretty good and we should share it with other people, and I'd really appreciate it. If you have a product that you would like me to unbox or review for you, reach out to us at JMOR.com. Let us know what you have. We'll tell you where to send your donated product to us, and we'll get this on a video for you, and then we'll do a review of the actual product after we do the unboxing. Again, I'm John Morley with the JMOR Reviews channel, and we'll see you real soon with another JMOR review.